Hey, it's Sam here, and this is the new full metal keycap set from Awekeys. This is the Awekeys Air, and it's a low-profile full metal keycap set. Currently, it's on Kickstarter with a starting price of $119, and there is 6 color options available with support for 2 different stem styles. In this video, I have the titanium black version that's compatible with MX style stems, and I'll be doing a typing sound comparison so you can hear the different metal keycaps produced. Included in the box is a metal keycap puller that also doubles as a stem adjuster if your keycaps are too tight for the switches, and of course the keycaps themselves, which are individually packed into this foam to prevent any damage during shipping. Here I have the 80% set, so the numpad keys are not included. Taking a look at the finishing on the keycaps, it has a scratch-resistant nano-coated surface, and there is 2 options. There's the satin finish, which you can see on the right, and a brush finish with a bit more texture on the left. Here is how the keycaps look in titanium black, satin and brushed gold, satin and brushed silver, and last but not least in the copper colorway. As for the design, it's quite similar to low-profile keycaps on NuPhy keyboards, but the Awekeys Air is slightly thinner and much more heavier as it's metal. Speaking of the weight, a normal ABS or PBT spacebar is only around 6 grams, and the metal spacebar is almost 4 times the weight at 22 grams. So do keep this in mind, as it will make your keyboard a lot more heavier and might affect performance on a Hall effect keyboard. Anyway, here is the typing sound test and comparison. Alright, here are my final thoughts on the Awekeys Air low-profile metal keycaps. If you're looking for a way to upgrade or just spice up your keyboard setup, the Awekeys Air is a way to go. It gives your keyboard a more premium feel and finish while also making it sound deeper and talkier. And if you don't mind the extra weight, it also helps anchor your low-profile keyboard to your desk. So if you're interested in the Awekeys Air, do check out the Kickstarter for the best deals and pricing, and that does it for this video. Thanks to Awekeys for the review samples, and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.